Yo, what up? It's your boy Bandit. Today I'm doing some work on the E46 wagon. Not exactly doing work on the wagon, I'm doing work on the wheels. I live in Canada. As you can see from all the leaves, it's fall time. Winter time's coming up. And I got to put back on the winter tires. So I'm going to be taking off the old tires, the summer tires, and putting on the winter tires. But I'm not feeling that, so I'm gonna go for a color change. I'm gonna do it a blue. I'm gonna go with a blue with a little bit of flake in it. So right now I'm just cleaning them up. I'm giving you guys a little bit before and then after. I clean them down, I wipe them down with alcohol, everything like that. And now, as you can see, because the tires are on them still, I'm gonna mask it off with some boxes all the way around and pop out the center cap, and then I'm going to do that for all of them. I'm going to paint them and see how they turn out. These are wonderful colors, right? Beautiful out here. Beautiful, beautiful October day. So I figured might as well take advantage before the snow falls. So let's get it done. So as you can see, I got them all wrapped up now. Now it's just time to hit them with coats and coats and coats and coats of spray paint until I get it looking to how I want it to look. And then we'll see how it looks. Alright, so I forgot to hit record, but as you guys can see, there's the finished product. It's not the best job, but they're for the winter time, so I really don't care. Yeah, but that's pretty much it.